Today we're going to be reviewing a high torque cleaner head replacement for Dysons. Here's what comes in the box. You get a manual, and you know everything you need to do. Instructions, you get a brush, and you get the replacement head for the Dyson. These heads turns 90 degrees and 180 degrees. It has bristles for hair, for dirt, for dust, for it's anti-tangle, so when you're doing pet hair or any long hair, it won't tangle your head or your roller. It has the three settings here for higher suction for dirt or anything on the hardwood floors or tile. Then you got the middle, that's a medium, and then light for hairs and carpet and stuff like that, light stuff. If you can see, this is the comparison on the right, and this on the top one is the actual one from Dyson, and this one is the replacement. It's the same thing. They look the same, and for a fraction of the price you can get the replacement that is the same thing. The only thing that I saw that is different is the stitching here. If you can see, this one has stitching. The actual Dyson one doesn't have anything. But other than that, it's basically the same thing. Anti-entangling, hair removal, mains. This is anti-entangling too. So if you can see, you just snap it just like the regular head, and it performs the same way, works the same way, nothing different but the price. So you can see the medium, switch here, that's the for hairs and stuff like that, but it works the same way, and you're not paying the amount of money for just brand. Same thing, the different part is just the stitches, but other than that, performs same way as the original one from Dyson. It's the original one. Put it in the same setting in the middle. So there's the original one. Now we're gonna switch with replacement. Same mode, the middle, and you can see it's the same thing. Maneuvers the same way, feels the same way. So why spend hundreds of dollars when you can get same thing for cheaper? Same well made. If you're looking for a replacement for your high suction head, here's the one. So definitely recommend it. Watch the listing to see which Dyson models they fit, and I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. This is washable, this is reusable, so all you do is take a screwdriver, turn it, open it, take this off and wash it, and then put it back. Wait until it's dry it again, put it back. So the same way as the original one. It's very well made, so definitely recommend it.